Hello, word listeners. Alex here, and welcome back to another episode where we unravel the fascinating world of English vocabulary. Today's word is chemical, a B1 level adjective meaning relating to chemicals. So, what exactly does chemical mean? Well, in its simplest form, it describes anything that is related to chemistry or the substances used in chemical processes. Think about the ingredients in your shampoo, the fertilizers used in farming, or even the processes that occur within our own bodies. All of these involve chemicals. You'll often hear scientists talking about chemical reactions, chemical compounds, or chemical properties. The word is quite versatile and fundamental to understanding many scientific concepts. Let's explore some synonyms for chemical. A close synonym is synthetic, which often refers to chemicals that are artificially made. For example, this fabric is made of synthetic materials. Another related word is elemental, though it focuses more on the basic elements that make up chemicals. Consider the sentence, "Gold is an elemental substance." The word reactant can also be relevant, especially when describing chemicals involved in a chemical reaction. You might say the two reactant substances combine to form a new compound. Finally, laboratory, while not a direct synonym, often implies the presence and manipulation of chemicals. You could say, the laboratory analysis revealed the composition of the substance. Now, let's delve into antonyms. One opposite of chemical could be natural. While many chemicals are found in nature, the term natural often implies something untouched or unprocessed. The fruit is natural and free from additives. Another antonym is organic, especially when referring to farming or food. The vegetables are grown using organic methods. We also have physical, which refers to properties or processes that don't involve changing the chemical composition of a substance. For instance, the physical properties of water include its boiling point. Another opposite could be pure, highlighting the absence of chemical additives. The water is pure and safe to drink. And lastly, unprocessed indicates a lack of chemical treatments or alterations. This juice is unprocessed and contains only fruit. Now, how can you use chemical in everyday life? Well, you might say, the air smells of chemicals after they clean the floor, or the company specializes in the production of chemical fertilizers. You could also use it in contexts like, she studied chemical engineering at university. The word appears frequently in news reports about environmental issues, such as the river was polluted by chemical waste. Here are some more example sentences. The lab is conducting research on new chemical compounds. The chemical formula for water is H2O. The chemical reaction produced a noticeable change in temperature. The government is imposing stricter regulations on chemical industries. The museum had a fascinating exhibit on the history of chemical discoveries. Exposure to certain chemicals can be harmful to your health. The chemical analysis confirmed the presence of lead in the water. She mixed the two chemicals according to the instructions. The chemical properties of the metal make it suitable for this application. He has a strong background in chemical engineering. The factory released harmful chemicals into the atmosphere. The investigation revealed a chemical spill at the site. The students are learning about chemical bonds in their science class. We need to dispose of these chemicals safely. This cleaning product contains harsh chemicals. The scientists are studying the chemical composition of the soil. The experiment involved several different chemical reactions. The company is committed to reducing its chemical footprint. The researchers are developing new chemical sensors. The chemical industry plays a significant role in the economy. That brings us to the end of another Hello Word episode. Today, we explored the meaning of chemical, its synonyms like synthetic, elemental, reactant, and laboratory, and its antonyms such as natural, organic, physical, pure, and unprocessed. Remember, chemical refers to anything related to chemistry and chemical substances. I hope this has helped you expand your vocabulary. Before I go, I have a small favor to ask. If you enjoyed this episode, please subscribe to Hello Word and leave us a review. Your support helps other language learners discover our show. And don't forget to create your own sentence using the word chemical and share it in the comments below. Until next time, happy learning!